Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of AI Basics. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Replika's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Replika's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Replika application. The official page of Replika will appear on the screen. You can log into your Replika's account using your email or Google as well. Tap on one of the options. Here I'm going to go with email. Enter your email address and password associated with your Replika's account and tap on continue. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on forgot your password option. This is how you can log into your Replika's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.